Everyone, I'm CJ and this is me after dark. So today we're going to be testing out the Jeffree Star Magic Star concealers. Woohoo! Sort of a rare daylight sighting of me, but I wanted to give you guys a really good view. And I know I'm a little bit late to the party with this, but I'm really excited to try these out. Today I've got 3 shades. We've got C2, C3, which are very light shades, and then also the peach colored corrector. We've got the Magic Star setting powder, woohoo! And this is in shade Fair. I'm so excited. So we've got the peach on the left side and the C2 on the right side. Hopefully you can see those. I love the way these look. It's really cute. Little finial on top of each vial of concealer. These look like little magic wands from Sailor Moon or something like that. I think they're really special and really unique. So this shade is C3. This is C2 next to it. They're very similar in color, but C2 is just the teeniest bit lighter. And then we've also got the peach color corrector, which you can see is definitely a bit darker than both of these shades. And as far as the setting powder goes, it's this really cute packaging as well. Just really thoughtfully created. It's very shiny. I see it sort of reflecting off the camera surface. This wonderful pink lid. And then on the inside there's a bit of powder. I also just wanted to do a really quick arm swatch of the powder for you guys so that you can see my arm is quite light, but the powder is even lighter. And it's just really finely milled and soft. And so you can really get an idea of how that's going to apply on the skin and blend out really nicely. I just want to show you guys what I already have on my face. Just a quick overview. We've got the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, which I absolutely love. This is sold on Birchbox. This is called By Nature New Zealand Face Serum with Rosehip Oil. It's an aloe based sort of primer-like moisturizer, and I really like it. And it was also really cheap. It was $6.99 at Marshall's. Do you guys love Marshall's? I do too. I'm with Laura Geller Tinted Spackle. This is the Ethereal shade. It is sort of a shiny mica-based pink, bit of natural glow. And then here is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer that I have basically just to smooth out my skin. And finally, as far as makeup goes, I'm wearing the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear Foundation in shade 420. And so back to Magic Star. We've got our base laid, and now it's time to get this show on the road. Peach first, because I want to see if I can get rid of some of these lovely dark circles here. Someone was up too late watching YouTube last night. Put a little of this on. I've got a wet beauty blender here next to me that I'm going to use to blend this out a bit. And I'm just going to focus this in on the under eye area so that I can be a little bit less purple. Oh, that's nice. It's like really warm and sort of brightening. I really like that. It's not too orange. It's not like really bold. It's just a nice, soft, kind of peachy color. And I think, I don't know if you guys can see, It definitely brightened up my under eye space a bit. I can still see a little bit of the darker shadows through it, but I think as a base for the traditional concealer colors, this is really going to help with those dark circles. Shade C3 here. I'm left-handed, so I should probably actually do this on this side. And putting this on liberally. I don't know how much I really need. We'll figure it out. So excited to see how this looks. The light is better over here because I've got a window on this side. This color is really light and brightening on my face. I think this is going to make a really good eye primer for me as well, so I've put it all over my lid. Lovely. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty easy to blend it out. And it gives a nice, like, luminous look to my skin. I'm already a little bit dewy because I've had my foundation on for about an hour or so before I put this on. And there's the other side. Beautiful. I feel very pretty. I feel like dewy. I'm gonna just kind of rub the excess on my nose here. And forehead. That is really nice. So, C2, the lightest shade. I think I'm actually gonna use this to clean up my brow just a teeny bit, just so we can get a look at it. That is pale, girl. Alright, that's almost a white. I think that would make a really good eye base as well. I'm going to go ahead and just blend it out just the teeniest bit. Well, a lot, actually. Yes. A little bit of a problem with the camera, but I'm back. And the concealer is really very luminous. We've got the Magic Star setting powder right here. And so it smells sort of like childhood. I think Jeffree said it was a cotton candy kind of a smell. Definitely can get some kind of scent off it, but it's not super strong, honestly. So I'm just going to go ahead and get some bake going here. I will say it's very fine, and so it is kind of powdering up around my face. Noticeably. Let's go ahead and get rid of some of the shine here on this big old forehead. Nose. Yeah, it's very fine. So it does kind of almost aerosolize. I'm honestly not sure I love that it just kind of goes everywhere. Because it is so lightweight. I think maybe this is going to be really great for under eye use, just like a teeny bit, but maybe not all over face wear because it does kind of go up your nose. But it does give you a really nice soft matte finish. I really like this powder overall. Yeah, that looks pretty good. on a lady of a certain age. Yeah. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below and give this video a like if you think this is a fun wear test here. So far, I'm liking the concealer. I think it has a really nice finish. The colors are a pretty good match for me. It can be a little bit hard for me to find a great concealer because I'm fair, but I also have a bit of redness in my skin. And I will definitely say that this covered up some of my hyperpigmentation on my cheeks as well as the redness, even if it didn't fully get rid of my dark circles. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'm kind of a noob with concealer. I don't always use it every single day. And so I felt this was really easy to apply, to blend out. That lighter C2 color gave me a really nice highlight underneath my brow. And so overall, I'm really pleased with this. I'm just going to really quickly set the face with one of my favorite setting products. This is Badescu. It's the Aloe spray. And fan myself just a bit. Refreshing. Alright, so I will check in with you guys in just a little while so that we can see how this concealer and powder is working out. But so far, I'm really pleased with the initial results. I think my skin looks smooth and pretty much evened out my complexion really nicely. See you guys in a little bit. Just a quick check-in to let you guys see the concealer. It's not cracking or doing anything weird. It's not separating. Just looks smooth and bright. So I'm really happy with the results. It's been about 5 to 6 hours. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.